quantity of the object indicated by an abstract noun or material noun whose quantity is measurable is specified as thin with the description of the determiner little. The determiner little that has the trait of the pronoun indicates the object and to signify that the quantity of the object specified by the determiner little is thin. There is a clause, I squeeze little sesame to get a bottle of sesame oil. The quantity of the object indicated by the material noun sesame is specified as thin, with the description of the determiner little. The eighth determiner is the determiner a little. The abstract noun or the material noun specified to indicate the object whose quantity is thin forms a phrase of the noun with the determiner little. The description of the predeterminer all signifies that the number of the object indicated by the phrase of the noun to include the determiner little is plural. We can think that the role of the predeterminer all is the revelation of the positive perspective of the speaker on the existence of the object whose quantity can be measured. The predeterminer all signifies the intention of the speaker to specify one of the objects indicated by the phrase of the noun to include the determiner little. With the specification by the predeterminer all, the listeners get to know that the perspective of the speaker considers the existence of the object whose quantity is thin but positive. There is a clause, I flipped a little paper. The quantity of the object indicated by the material noun paper is specified as thin with the description of the determiner little. The predeterminer all specifies one of the objects indicated by the phrase of the material noun little paper. The number of the object indicated by the material noun paper is uncountable. On the premise that the predeterminer all is applied, the number of the objects indicated by the phrase of the material noun little paper is plural. So the quantity of each object indicated by the phrase of the material noun little paper is thin. The fact that the material noun little paper is described by the predeterminer all means that the objects are plural. We can think of the group of paper whose quantity is little. The group 1, the group 2, the group 3, and etc. So we can say that the group of little paper, the groups of little paper exist, and we can think of a group that contains paper whose quantity is little. So how does the speaker think of the existence of the object little paper? The speaker admits the existences of the groups that are multiple. So the speaker admits that one of the groups includes the little quantity of paper overall the groups from the positive perspective of the speaker. With the specification of the predeterminer all, the listeners get to know that the speaker considers the existence of the object indicated by the phrase of the material noun positive.